Good morning to all. I hope you all are safe and enjoyed your Diwali vacation. Let us start our value education lesson number 5. All of you open your textbook, page number 19. What is the lesson name? Yes, fruits of hard work. मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है. What is the value of this lesson? Hard work, right? What is the meaning of hard work? The great deal of effort. When you put hard work on your studies, you will get what? Good marks, right? Hard work is more important to achieve the goals of our life. Let's start our 5th lesson, fruits of hard work. Listen this story. Once a king wanted a personal assistant for him. He announced that anyone who wanted the post of the personal assistant must meet him. Many people gathered in the palace. The king led them to a pond and said, "Whoever will fill this pond's water in this pot will be chosen for the post. But remember, there is a hole in the pot." Some people left without a single try, while some people tried once and then said, "The king has already chosen someone else. Let's go." Understood, children? Who wanted a personal assistant? A king wanted, right? What he did? He announced that those who wanted the post must meet him. Hearing this, many people gathered in the palace. Palace means mahal. The king took them to a pond and he said, "Whoever fills this pond's water in this pot will be chosen for this post." But the pot has a hole in it. You can see the picture given in the page number 20. The water is falling through the hole. Everyone was confused. How can we fill this pot? Some people left without any single try. Some people said, "The king has already chosen the assistant." They also left the palace without trying. But one man kept filling the pot with pond water patiently. He filled the water in the pot and came out on the ground. But always within a few moments, the water poured on the ground completely. He tried that many times. उसमें से एक आदमी क्या किया? He continued to fill the pot patiently. He filled the water in the pot and came out on the ground. But the water in the pot emptied due to the hole. He never gave up. He tried many times. At last, the pond became empty. The man found a diamond ring in the empty pond and he gave it to the king. At this time, the king said, "The ring is reward for your hard work. You are fit for the job." At last, what happened? The pond became empty. Kali ho gaya. What he found in the pond? Yes, a diamond ring. He gave it to the king. The king said, "The ring is your reward, present, gift for your hard work." The man was appointed as the personal assistant of the king. The man thanked the king for the job. The king selected him as a personal assistant. The man thanked the king for the job. Children, what you learned from this story? What is the moral of the story? Hard work is always rewarded. मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है.